Hey guys, listen up. YouTube works with an algorithm. By you liking this video, it says to YouTube, this is an active channel, and it helps keep me full-time on YouTube. So, help me out guys. Like, share, and subscribe.
Come to me through the sound, 'cause there's no more words in the world for me. Indigo eyes, I know you live in the sky, but I wanna pre-apologize, 'cause I took my life into the light for a night, and I didn't say goodbye. I took my life into the light. I was quiet, covered all of my crimes, and I took my time to make it right for the night, 'cause I don't wanna lie, I don't wanna cry.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I am a business and spiritual consultant, and my name is Lucifer. I know you're wondering, what is Lucifer doing here on this earth? To discuss two essential things. And these essential things are business and spirituality. What is the universe made up of? Business and spirituality, baby. Enough fun and games. Let me be serious and let me get to business. I want to tell you to focus on yourself. Let me repeat that again. Focus on yourself. See, there's many people in the world that some of you may feel you want to be a good Samaritan to. Sometimes we exert a lot of energy to make these people better. But there comes a time when you have to realize you're beating a dead horse. Some people are stuck in their ways and they cannot change. You can try to do the best for them, you can try to invest in them, they're going to remain the same. This is why I say to you people, invest into yourself. Focus on yourself. Because when you're doing so much for others, when do you have time to do for yourself? There's many people who have tried to play the role of a good Samaritan, but ended up getting the short end of the stick. Some things are just the way they are, and we cannot change that. If you want to get into fatalism, we can look at astrology, for instance. Some things are just predetermined. Some circumstances and situations are predetermined. Violence has been in the world for eons of time. Since the beginning of life for humanity, violence has been interwoven into its fabric. Today, you can't look at the news without hearing bad news. You look through social media, and if you guys listen to rap music, today they got this thing called drill music. Every day you're hearing, or every other day you're hearing a rapper dying. This is the world we live in. The best thing we can do, the best thing you can do, is focus on yourself. There's always going to be ignorant people. There's always going to be foolish people. You can't allow the foolishness that exists outside of you to take away your peace. You have to create a heaven for yourself where there is none. And that can come from focusing on yourself. Some people will call you selfish. People will say, oh, the world revolves around you. Well, I'm gonna tell you something. From what I've seen, for this time period that I've been on the earth, I've seen a lot of people get a raw deal trying to be a savior to the world. At one point in my life, I tried to be a savior to the world and realized it doesn't work. There's many civil rights leaders of the past who tried to do the same and they failed. The world is what it's going to be, and there's nothing we can do to change human nature. You may not be able to change what's outside of you, but you're able to change yourself, change your circumstances. There's people you can tell them, you can ingrain into their head what they can do to better their life. You can do it from morning to night, and they'll just remain the same, like a fixed sign. You can tell a Scorpio what to do from morning to night, and they'll go back and do the same shit over and over and over. When you examine how much energy and effort you put into people like this, you'll realize that you've wasted your time. Time waits for no one. The same effort that you put into a dead horse is the same effort that you can be putting into a vibrant life which you possess. So, with that said, I conclude this video.